Hello viewers, welcome to Core for Any. If you hear new, hit subscribe buttons and notification bell so you can never miss any our incredible content. Taxi backends admin panels inside today we need to create here the brand deletes and brand model list, brand models approve and brand model deletes API we need to calls inside this Angular panels. Let's start how to write down here. First of all, need here the declaring here the API calls. We need to add here. First of all, need to copy these two lines and to paste this here and to give this here the delete brand. Now need to open here the AngularJS. Open here Node.js, not AngularJS. Need to find out here the delete API. Delete brand. Copy here. This here. Like this here. Need copy this here this way. This here. Oops. Now need to write down here. Like this set here and setting here. First model approve, then model list. Like this API are the calling here, and also need to modify here the models. Inside models, you need to add some fields. You need to go inside files. You need to copy these all things. Paste this here. Like this sets here. Public, and also need to check here. Set brand name. Brand brand ID. Like this, we need to set this here. Now need to create here the models. Need to create first of all need to go to terminals and add here ngc for components need to use here and car management insights need to add here model list. Create here model list. Now here the creating this model list need to copy here the HTML car HTML. Plants HTML need to copy and to paste inside the model list, and then after need to copy here ts files inside copy all data and need to paste here z6. Now we need to import here the child view childs met designators met sort. Also need to change here the models need to its value years. So need to years. Now need to call here the service. Also need to add here snake bars on inits. After inits filters need to set here what's here. And also need to pass this here methods inside model here. Running this value sets and now need to get here else like this need to calling here and so here this brand So this here files. Now need to go inside components, copy this here, paste here, write down brand here, sets here, so call here to like the sets here. Also need to here. And one more thing you need to add here functions. Copy here same as said. You need to go inside the documents and to copy here and columns and to change for brands. Now open here the document and also here. Now need to run list methods. This here brand. Value here brand delete successfully. Displaying here message. So need to value and need to pay this file. Now need to say model ID and also need to give this here model deleted successfully. This message is here HTMLs PS files need to put inside the paste this here like model here small. Now paste this here are more here also need to give designs. Copy here, paste this here and to write down titles also. Save this here, write down here. We did API calls. Now need to build these projects, need to compile and paste work or not, need to check this here, also need to check here. Now this is the compile are the done and to loadings here. So need to open here this menu to get here, and press exact buttons need to get here and here. Page at this data. Now this is the working here, and also need here delete and gets here server internal errors. Need to get this here, repeat this here. And read from objectives row to get any issue and finds like this here results. Typo. Result. Start this here and can test this errors. Now we need to check inside the Node.js box and to get here data as undefined. So need to here. So I need to get here. So yeah, get we query inside the issue and check errors. Need to first of all the here side. Now here. Need to check here the line numbers need to by here the 556 to English need to change this here. This here this is the issue. That's why not this area are the settings. You also need to check inside the series. and put this here. Now need to call again this API and test this here. Not now. Here the working and fix this issue. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new here, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any question, so please write down in the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.